Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling.
Bling line, hello.
Yeah, hi, I'm looking to speak to Talita.
Speaking.
Talita, please come outside. We've got a show to start.
Sure,
and
no
we don't
problem.
have enough time.
Okay, then see you now. Bye.
100%.
Welcome
I'm
to Bling
Zuko.
Line.
Oh. Kaloku, we must just introduce ourselves.
Oh, goodbye,
Just
show
speak
it.
to Talita. When wavuma mna.
Oh, okay, hello.
Guys, we don't have a lot of time. That's why we are kind of rushing through the intro.
But you know what? We have a lot of comments. You can join us on another journey on the 25th of October.
Oh, here we go.
Where we go live with Spotify live sessions.
Victoria Yards.
Victoria Yards.
Hoop, wasana somsala.
If ufuna itikiti lozohlala nathi ke
Yes.
sincokole, head over to quickets.co.za. Umani ticket lakho sikubone nge-25.
So little time, so many comments. And,
Ani commendile this week.
absolutely.
Wow.
And most grateful for your guys' comments. I think the topic at hand was tricky one.
Mm-hmm.
Is that the right word?
Yeah, I didn't sleep the whole week till that thing came out.
Yeah, tricky one, but as usual, you guys commented with grace and care and love, and we
Appreciate
are
it.
forever grateful for that.
Yeah. Okay, so let's get this party started. So we were talking about Christianity, right? And it seems like a lot of people have had some kind of just not problems, but like
Challenges?
challenges, yes. Coming to the Christianity point, and a lot of you told us what you think and what challenges you've had and gave advices, which was really cool. Masqale Nazo 6667. On the point of Christianity, I think Tamzupela may have misunderstood where Tali's discomfort comes from. I think it's not about being distracted by others, okay? I think she comes from a point of empathy, a point of being uncomfortable with seeing so much suffering in the world, suffering that God doesn't seem to intervene in. We're taught that God loves us so very much, yet how can such a loving God allow for small children to suffer, women to get killed daily, Black people to have been colonized at every turn in the world? I may have also misunderstood her point, but I resonate with the sentiment of how can God sit back and watch these things? It creates some kind of cognitive dissonance. How can I continue to believe that God is the ultimate form of love, yet he allows for these things to happen? I also think the idea of personal relationship and just focusing on yourself alone is kind of selfish. Yes, the relationship is important for sure, but it can also coexist with the empathy we feel for those around us. Plus, who knows? You could also later suffer the same things you were ignoring. Oh, that's a lot. I think all of it, you know what I mean? I don't think anyone was wrong. I don't think that Zuko got my point wrong. But yes, I did focus on about how can God sit back and watch these things. I feel was my primary point. But I feel like all the stuff that we covered were also extremely valid as well. Yeah.
No, I got you. And I think it's also maybe I feel a bit of myself being misunderstood in the sense that for me, what I understood it as was I don't go to church or I don't believe in God because all of these things are happening, right? So for me, it was one of the two. And not necessarily, I didn't understand it to be these things can coexist. For me, I understood it as, this is the reason why Dinga participate, you understand? And when it comes to that, and I was answering from that perspective.
Sure.
Right? Not necessarily from a perspective that says, no, just focus on yourself. alone and because for me, all of these things, they speak to each other, right? They all speak to each other. They all lead into each other in the sense that says, sure, if I'm saying focus on your personal relationship, if you are saying, sure, I recognize God exists, I recognize Bukwa. Now, that personal relationship, it has a spillover into the world around you, right? It has a spillover into how you treat people around you. It has a spillover on how you also pour into this world, the things that you do to try and do the best that you can to rectify certain injustices, right?
For sure.
It all starts with us at the end of the day. That's my thinking around it. But iqala apha kuthi londo leyo, whereby I can now then start making a difference on this, and plugging into that. Because for me, saying like, I don't think it's selfish at all, simply because me wanting to share with someone something that I found, which I found as a treasure, that immediately takes out to be selfish.
Yes. But it does start with you. This is the thing.
Yeah. It has to start somewhere.
Yeah.
And then the question then becomes, where does it start? And I think I maybe it might come up. I saw it in another thing. It's selfish. Isn't it selfish? It's selfish. I guess it depends on how you look at it, guys. Because at the end of the day, if now where you are going to get whatever it is that you get and you want to keep it to yourself, that's selfish.
Selfish is also not always a bad thing.
Correct. But what I'm saying is selfish is when you get something and you want to keep it to yourself.
Yeah.
That's being selfish.
Yeah.
If you get something and you want to share it, is that being selfish?
No.
That's what I'm saying. I'm saying, Uguti, okay, anzo applyela umsebenzi because baninzi abantu abangaqeshwanga bane degrees as more than him. Or ndizawu applyela umsebenzi. Fumana kwami umsebenzi, ndiyangena esipanini, ndifaka nabanye abantu esipanini.
Exactly. And so focusing on having a personal relationship first can't be a selfish thing.
Because what does it take away from others?
No, nothing from anyone. So it's definitely not selfish. Kapendo icinge, babes.
Yeah, man. But I like how you've put it in terms of, okay, cool. This is what we've. This is the wrong episode for us to say that we need to rush through this episode.
No,
by the way,
I've watched you speak for 5 minutes on the first comment.
I can feel your eyes burning me here.
It's always like you have no concept of time.
And I do.
No, you don't. Not when you're talking. No way.
But you don't show it. But
usahleka sikamove on namhlanje.
So yeah, I like though how careful you have come across to say, this is what I saw, this is what I think, but I could be incorrect. I could have.
For sure.
I love that, guys.
Yeah.
And
It's
and I
not
think this is what this is about.
Yeah. Accusatory.
Nesiyazi yethina ngo accuse number 1, accuse number 2. Uthi uSamu Samur Buhle. Indoni?
I think we're right back with Samu.
uSamu 748. Kwani nobuhle pa. Uthi inkulu into
ebikhulunywe.
Yeah. Okay. Inkulu into ebikhulunywe kule episode, and I believe sibaningi okumele sithi dig deep sithole all the answers. Ngoba ngisho nam, I go to church when I'm home, and it's not like la engihlala khona azikho izinkonzo. Or it's not like la ngihlala khona azikho izinkonzo. Ukuvilapha nakho kukhona, plus awafani nale engikhonza kuwo mangisekhaya. Hey, you're giving us a bit of a taste of our own medicine. You're
reading Zulu in Xhosa.
Khawuqhube Madlamini.
Okubi. Kunakho konke mawungayi enkonzweni kuyakhohlwakala
Nokukhuleka.
Nokukhuleka.
Uyakhohlwa ukukhuleka.
Oh. Akusizi ukubaleka from umthobo wamanzi ukuphila. Let's try and figure this thing out between. Ngiyayithanda mina lento entsha eniyenza ekugcineni. It took more of love leyo kuqala ibingathi
green pepper. Aliyazi.
Ngiyaxolisa ukukhala phambi kwenu lento ingihlukumezile. Awukhali nje.
Yes, fethu. Look, what I'm getting out of this comment, right? Uthi inkulu into obviously bithetha kule episode and at the end of the day a lot of us need to dig deep in order for us to get the answers.
For sure.
The unfortunate part and something that I tried is, and I realized ukuthi answers, guys, ifana ne-therapy. The answers is lapha kuthi ngaphakathi. The answers is lapha kuthi ngaphakathi because we know the full story. We are the only ones that can dig deep enough into ourselves. What we say and what we nansika to each other can also sometimes be blocked by a lot of things. You know what I mean? I can be transparent with you, but there's another level of transparency that I can reach with myself.
For sure.
And another level of honesty that I can reach with myself, which I think is where the deep digging comes in order for us to tell our answers. Uti ukuvilapha nako kukhona.
Of course.
Nansi indaweni better ithi okubi kunakho konke is that mawungaye enkonzweni uyalibala nothandaza. It's not ayonto efika qala sometimes to certain people. I know ayonto efika qala kum xa ndingayi kerki, but iye imanifika more regularly when I am kind of involved. Yes, 100%. So I definitely like that.
Thank you, Samu, for your comment.
Inkosi Samu, siyabulela kakhulu. Siyabonga ngokuyibhala nangesizulu.
Ngoba sikwazi nathi ukupractice. That's what practices in Zulu. Ukuyikhandla.
Ngokandwa wena. I'm laughing so bad. As an adult, I know I should be reading the self-help books and India's tengane. But I always pause after a few pages to read a novel. Zakdani, but you're reading. You're reading. Novel. I literally have to talk myself out of, girl, you need to sleep. You're working tomorrow. Oh, that is so cool. Why novels? They are more like a cool down, similar to how people watch TV. No, thank you. Self-help books will make you accountable in your free time. When do you rest?
Uphuma emsebenzini ungena endlini yoba accountable.
But do you know what accountability does? It makes for a better tomorrow.
Boring.
That's what the problem is you all want to have to cool down every day. Imagine living a life where Imagine living a life where you don't need to cool down because you've done the hard work of being accountable, and now the things that were bothering you yesterday, like omyani or lunch yako that spoiled your whole day, they don't bother you anymore because you've grown out of certain things that were supering you.
The self-help books. Hey, what's wrong? Iyavakala.
Kutheni abantu bengayifuni i-accountability. Sure, but is it not helpful? Is it more difficult than it is helpful? My problem is that my experience is that all the most difficult part of self-help is thinking about it. Doing it becomes easier. And then life becomes better. Yeah. Guys.
All the things you're saying are true.
No, but you are so bored.
I'm not bored.
You are. Guys, ingasike mina ngumna funda self-help book. Practice ezanto zibhalwe pha. I struggled the hell out of it. But the little 2% and 3%, they add up, man. And it just becomes so much. Your experience, man, it becomes better.
And I see when you are willing, we are saying you are willing. And that's one step closer.
100%. But also make some time to be accountable in your free time, please. You will benefit the most.
All right, so to Aviwe Mkwati. Hello. What's up, guys? Dicela your advice, your options
Opinions.
or
Options.
maybe opinions or advice. I'm one of those moody friends.
Wow, Puma Glokona. Puma Golokichi, Akone Ketil.
And when I'm not okay in developing 2 level whole day or a few days, I'm noticing about my friends are getting tired of my on and offs. But Ngoku, I don't want to apologize. Dibe, dinga change. Side note, I went to a therapist and she told me it's normal. It definitely does not feel normal because I'm drifting away from my friends. Thanks.
Sure.
Yeah, I understand it being normal based on when you grew up, how safe you felt with your emotions around other people.
Okay.
And so I feel like that then determines how you deal with the safety of your emotions.
Okay.
So if you never felt safe with your emotions, you will turn into a person who shuts off.
Sure.
Which is why I feel like your therapist could say that it's normal.
Okay.
Depending on bumbali. Now coming to the point of
Okay.
oh, yes.
In the question.
Oh yes.
Singenaphi? Singenaphi mna chomi yakho? Singenaphi?
Awungendawo chomi.
Okay.
That's why I shut off because awungendawo.
Okay.
Yes.
So mna mandi safarishe ngento endingenanto kwenza ngayo and it's normal.
Yes, unfortunately uzosafarisha chomi because
Okay.
I'm dealing with izinto that are from my childhood.
Dila ngazo kaloku chomi. Yayiva awudili ngazo because awuyeki. Dila ngazo.
Kaloku anizofeske ndiyeke also.
Okay, so you have the right, ne,
Yes.
to be dealing with things from your past.
Mm-hmm.
Ne? Number 1, mna ndithi dila ngazo sharp. Number 2, with every right there's a responsibility.
Mm-hmm.
What's your responsibility in this?
I feel like your responsibility is to declare.
Madlamini. And yakhahlela kwedini. Zane declaration. Oh, I love you. Oh.
I was so scared I was going to say the wrong thing.
No. Oh, I love you so much. No.
But
Utini sorry can't go.
your responsibility is to declare kuchomi zakho ba jonga mtshana second into endiphazamisayo ne I'll be back.
Sure.
Not just disappear, not
Fair.
just ube off,
Fair.
not just because now. Oh, yeah, exactly. But just say, you don't have to say what the thing is. You don't have to say,
Sure.
but just to preempt, ba jonga mtshana man,
Ankorite.
but yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Fair. I think in a lot of time, and it's something that took me a long time to understand, because I was also just like, I pretend myself out of a mood. But then I realized, okay, sure, also that might not be the best thing.
Yeah.
Up until I realized that I've got the right.
Mm-hmm.
And everyone has got the right. But now, by virtue of you involving us in your life, as ichomi zakho, you then, it also puts a responsibility on.
For sure.
And the responsibility that you have towards us. Not necessarily uba usixelele indaba zakho or tin, but just to make us aware. Bamchana, because my whole thing is, xa ungekho right and I'll right for 3 days. Now I'm stalking you on WhatsApp and I can't get a hold of you. And I'm worried. Asuba diqumbela anything. I'm diqumbela because I was worried. And you could have, but you didn't. And get whether that's you figuring out some sort of code amongst you and your friends, that will say, either whatever, cool. It can be, I've heard of codes, people are like, when I'm not uncooked, I'll send like my friend 3 dots. Right? It means I'm alive, I'm okay, or something. Do you know what I mean? Okba umnu ayazi.
Yeah.
Ha.
Yeah.
So definitely definitely all for the right to be like that, but also definitely about the responsibility
of declaration.
Declaration,
Yeah.
As well as the responsibility of, guys, we also have a do you feel like we've got a responsibility to those around us to get better?
Of course.
Thank you.
Aviva, we hope ke le nto sikubalisele yona made some sense in your life.
Yes.
And you can put something to practice, but also just don't be too hard on yourself.
Absolutely.
But also just
don't be too hard on your friends.
Don't
also.
be too hard.
Yeah, balance. Snazo Tibela uthi yazi enye into efuna uqwalaselwa ilento bendicinga ndizogigitheka kanti Tamzubhela uthi not today.
Gigitheka anyway. Yeah.
Yeke ngilonto leyo yazi athi awutilakhisayo mna. Eyona nto yandidika about my church. Eyona nto yandidika about my church is usikwa kwabantu. Umzekelo umuntu ongusisi who falls pregnant out of wedlock uyasikwa, then funeka ahambe iclass again to be confirmed and become a full church member. Kodwa umuntu ongubhuti akho nto yenzekayo kuye. Enye into yandidikayo xa abantu besebenzisa ipulpit uxelelana indaba zabo kodwa uthethe kwavakala Tamzu.
Yeah, the Sikwa thing for men and women is also very crazy.
No, absolutely.
Yeah, because it's like you both did that thing. I didn't fall pregnant by myself. The guy who made me fall pregnant is sitting right here with no consequences. Hectic,
guys, but and I know it's an incredibly difficult thing, but I'm just like, how many places do we continue to go to? But siyaphangela every day. You don't stop going to work. And why don't you stop going to work? Because of the benefit that you derive from going to work. We see malls. Mama Tujule Mall every single day. Why do we not stop going to the mall? Because of the benefit that we derive when we go to the mall. So this is my thing. Ingati, when it comes to ezinye izinto to do with religion and church, we become so picky.
Yeah, super sensitive.
We become very, very picky, and we are just like, and then we don't go. But we don't apply the same rules to everything else.
And we forget that it's people who run those things.
We forget, it's people. And what do people do? What are they famous for? Peopling. Absolutely all the time. So I think, nyani guys, which is why it always brings me back to that point of personally wena. Uye for abantu abasikwayo ke? Okanye uyela ntoni? And I think the answer to that question is what then helps. Doesn't necessarily solve everything. I think it helps with a lot of.
Cool, got you.
Yeah. Ileno enjoy because uyacingwa bangapha abantu abahethwa ngamadoda but
doesn't stop you from pursuing. You see stories every day. Oh, banditi. Oh,
no,
watching them aineli shati can do your charter.
Yeah.
Where you phone?
Hey, okay, you can have the number, yeah.
Snazo, thank you. Apothecary Akona says, please allow me to add, in your growing to love Christ, naleyo kufuna uhlala and listen to the sermon and prayers, ubulisa umshumayelo uphuma ugoduke, isn't long-lived. Because as you love your new boo, the people he works with, his friends, his family, however his life is shaped, become a part of your life.
Yeah.
Okusalayo kuzofuneka ubangene nabo.
Sure.
Even if they're busy stabbing each other because your boo loves them with all his heart.
Yeah, sure.
And unfortunately for you, unfortunately for you, he has made it his sole purpose to work on winning them over from stabbing one another.
Sure.
At some point, as our announcements, the lunch and outings with those adulterers and thieves are going to be including you.
Yes.
There to be the kind piece in an evil chessboard and the healing balm to the stabbers and stabbies. proper self-sacrifice is expected in our journey with God.
Absolutely. 10 out of 10. Apothe. 10 out of 10. I love everything about this comment.
Great example.
Great example. I love also how it ends. Proper sacrifice is expected in our journey with God. And that's exactly what it is. Just like with the analogy that you've used, umntu wakho naye udibana naye namhlanje, you don't meet his family tomorrow.
No.
You don't say, ole tlako, salbona nini.
No.
You don't meet their colleagues. All of these things happen over time.
Yeah.
Right? But the primary person that you've been spending time with, lo mntu wakho. And then over time, ke double date. Over time, awumakazi usimemile. Kukho into endlini, awufuna ukuza. Over time. Ufunde ke ngokuba ukhona la malume ukhohlakeleyo pha. But uyazi ba bendingazange umalume
in the first place.
You understand?
Yeah.
Bendize kuwe.
Yes.
And ke sometimes uhleke nala malume ukhohlakeleyo akuthuma umongoze. But at the end of the day, you know ba wena uze ngabani apha. Oh! Absolutely. Daytan, it's a journey.
Yeah,
it's a journey.
Sure.
A journey.
And it's not a perfect journey.
It's not a perfect journey. And it's just like ne walk with Christ. Ilando ba uqala usitya purity, then ke ngunyukele utouch solids, uyotya inyama ndondondondondon. Thina bofike wena usitya inyama. Uzoba right boss negums lusana. So, the digestive system yakho
it's not ready.
It's not ready. So, some foods may go straight through you. Journey, step by step, piece by piece, kilometer by kilometer.
Very good, Akona.
Love it. Ungasi uthi 10120. In and out. Dingazobamte. Choices both take character and show character. In essence, your choices require that you have the kind of character, personality, or mentality to make them.
Okay.
These things aren't always innate. Many a time, they learnt and built over time. Yes, people often get to know your character through the choices they see you make. You still, however, have to have said character and live in alignment with it in order for said choices to be made. In a picture, your glasses is choice. Choice, character, choice, character. Aptly put, as usual.
Ngasi, never disappoint. Porugofa. Well done. And kangu bem.
You know me, girls, because 10 hours with you, I was happy.
Ketinyano kokoko.
She, madam to
Ngasi. Thank you for that. Annelisa Matiwane. Is this someone we know? That sounds so familiar. How about Sizame Apa Book Club Betuna? I'm also intrigued by the idea of a book club.
Hi,
over to you, Madlamini. Because I know you.
Usually people don't say over to themselves. Over to you, Zamzubela. That's crazy.
That's not a bad idea, yes?
What's Annalise?
Oh, because of the show. Okay, we'll think about it. We'll put it on our list. But it's a great idea. Thank you.
Oh, it is an excellent
idea.
I'll do the self-help.
I'll do the novel.
But we would both be present.
Of course. We have to be.
Sisipho Sese Tubuso. Tamzupela. I always listen to your different names every week, but this time there is one name you said, Zooks. That's the name everyone called my late dad. And it got me emotional for a minute. Anyways, beautiful podcast. And this is my first comment. Remember, love each other. Sisipo, welcome to it.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you for commenting. Yeah. May Upra Zooks continue to rest in peace, man. Thank you for sharing this with us. Yeah, very much appreciated.
Yeah, it's the little things, eh?
Absolutely.
Uthi Siphe Sihle Mningiswa. I love today's topics. Thanks to Tazooks for sharing the information. I think I also needed it. Ndikhule ecaweni, makhulu wam wayesinyanzela uba masiye ecaweni, and we grew up with it. Now that I'm older, ndazibona outgrow, not because I hate it or don't believe, just that instead of simamele ilizwi lenkosi simamele ingxaki zabantu all the time.
Ooh.
Now that made me lose interest because gogo sendiyazi xa ndisiya ecaweni izomamela uba umntana kabani wenzeni. Don't get me wrong, abazali bethu bayasithandazela and izinto zethu ziphumelele, but yo sana every Sunday.
Yeah, look, I also think at some point we also need to take matters into our own hands. What does that look like sometimes? Sometimes it looks like going to a tower that you want to go to.
Yeah. That you're comfortable with, yeah.
Correct. No, it's icawa kamama wakho or icawa katatako, icawa kamakhulu wakho. And it also, yeah, because icawa is fun.
Yeah, it might not serve your needs.
100%, because we must also remember that in all of that, yes, sure, our parents have done, I assume that our parents and our grannies and our granddads have done the best to what they could do. Churches have changed. The way things happen have changed, right? But then also we need to throw in the fact that we are also individuals and the amount of personal responsibility that we have to then also find our own truth and walk towards that, right? So I definitely think there's a us piece that we tend to forget, and I understand. Yeah, I mean, you've only got so much free time, and you don't want to be accountable in that free time. But at the end of the day, into zakho zawubuzwa kuwe dithi. Oba kuthiwe umakhulu wakho uzawuthi uyithetha kakuhle mos nawe le nto uthi icawa kamakhulu wakho.
Yes. Utheni wena ungayofuna
ngephe yakho.
Yeah.
So also definitely I think something maybe to be looked at.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thanks BCC.
Thanks Siphe. Sincedile. Bagcine uthi I am with Sister Talita on the Christianity part. What I don't understand is how can he let so much happen in his presence? For example, my mom loved God and the church so much, and then in 2018 she became mentally ill. I mean, how can he let my mom suffer like that when she spent most of her time praising him and praying for abantu baphile? I understand Uputsuke, but focusing on my relationship with him and ignoring the fact that he let that happen to my mother somehow sounds a bit selfish. Oh yeah, this was the other comment that I was talking about that was speaking about being selfish.
That's a tough one. But this is the thing. Just because you're a Christian and you praise and you worship, it doesn't mean that bad things aren't going to happen to you.
Yes, wabethelelwa emnqamlezweni.
Ewe, engunyala kaThixo. Wabethelelwa as ipara, basically. Namasela.
On both sides.
And he had done nothing.
Is one of the things that I often think about. Uba, sure, guys, hey, I don't know how to put this. We live in a world of sin, which is full of ugly. Now, but my question becomes, isenzekelwa into embi, then what? Then that makes me move away from God. Why?
Because your expectations are that you need to be fully protected.
Okay. Is full protection something that is on the books? Guaranteed?
No.
Are you better protected than saying, I want nothing to do with?
No.
So, yeah. That's where my thingy becomes, right? That's where my questions then come from. To say, okay, now this is happening, right? This is happening to me. This is happening to my family. And it's almost like see, it sometimes feels as if ingatis avenge our loved ones or ourselves by then saying, okay, ke angizokuthanda uThixo. That's what it sounds like to me when with the discussion that says, but if this is happening, then now I will withhold this.
It becomes transactional because the transaction then becomes dithandazile, therefore dapreza dahamba inkonzo, therefore kufuneka ndibe-grand.
Yeah. I wasn't ready for transactional.
Yeah, because that's what it is. It's a transaction. I have done this, therefore makwenzeke so. But that's not how it works, unfortunately. And we know that's not how it works, but still.
Do we?
We do, because we see it all the time. That's not how it works.
Hey, but we see a lot of things a lot of the time. But it comes to la acceptance. But yeah, man, it's
a tough one, man.
It's a tough one. I was not ready for transactional though.
Yeah.
At all. Wow. Ay, chonga.
Hey, we're funny.
Chonga is feeling ndafika ndine afro. Like I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. Yeah, so kind of like to that, that's where my questions come. But I think you put it so nicely when you said it then sounds transactional. Because then what do we do? Do you know what I mean?
And also, as is to people who don't go to church, to evil people.
Because this is
ebandwini, yeah. As a result of living in a world of sin, which we all live in. Correct. So everything can happen to anyone.
Yes. Anything can happen to anyone. Yeah, it's a difficult one. Yeah, it's really a difficult one.
Yeah, but I think because we live in a transactional world, it's easy for us to think of it that way.
And make everything transactional.
Yeah, exactly. But it's not. And the thing is, it's not for us masihlale kamandi in this world. It's for us masiyohlala kamandi in heaven.
100%. And also, I think, be able to enjoy the benefits and the upside of the personal relationship. And I think, again, it still, for me, always brings me back to that personal relationship. But to your point as well, why non-consultative?
What am I here for? Yeah, exactly. Am I here to reap benefits of a positive kind only?
Yeah, look, I mean, and that's a personal question. That's a question that each and every person needs to answer for themselves. And that will lead us in the correct line. Thank you for that.
Thank you for that. Sorry about your mom. Utupumi, growing up in a Christian home, many of us rebel because faith wasn't originally our choice. For me, raised Reformed with Methodist influence, I chose to pursue a relationship with Christ, which led me into the Pentecostal church. I get your concerns, Tali. Our influence comes from representing Christ well in word and deed. Yes, we cannot save the world, but Matthew 25, verse 31 to 46 calls us to lend a helping hand, hence the various ministries within the church to serve God's people holistically.
Lovely. I like that.
Well
that
put.
Speaks directly to our comment and what we were saying a couple of comments ago to say that Yabona Yena raised Reformed with Methodist influence, now chose to pursue a personal relationship with Christ, which led me into the Pentecostal church.
So we were saying, what choices have you made
correct.
for yourself?
What Upumi did is then she took matters into her own hands.
When's it feel right for you?
Absolutely. Yeah, man. Look, guys. Just also on this thing, like verse Matthew 25, verse 31 to 46, calls us to lend a helping hand. Like, I found also that as people, we're just like, yeah, the world is suffering, but we can't even give the guy at the robots money. Situ zayichaya. Things are happening, you know what I mean?
Also uzorojwa uvula ifestire. Oh, kuningi.
Or ungarojwa. You understand?
Oh, urojwe.
Yes, or ungarojwa. Like, also, there's also that. Do you know what I mean? Do we, okay, abandwana, do we volunteer at shelters? Where you can't get robbed? Do we even give money to izinto zo child line? We have tibana nendo apha mall. Ethi hayi si abantwana gqitha ubaleka usithi une meeting. But what we can do is we can sit and say, yeah, you see, God is doing nothing. And then we do nothing. What is that? Yeah, man. Yeah. We like to use izinto to deflect sometimes things that are really deep down inside that need us personally to look at them. Siyayibaleka accountability is the way that I can put it. Which hurts us more than it helps us. It definitely hurts us more than it helps us, because you must remember that the whole thing then comes sense of community. What is your community? What does that look like? What does your support structure look like? A lot of things that we tend to miss out on. And I'm not saying that it's okay for a world to have all the suffering that it does have. Sure, it does have it. But then also, what are we doing to try and help that besides complaining?
Thank you, Pumi.
Thanks, Pumi.
Marshmallow says, did God send you guys to talk to me about this? Oh, no. Yes.
I think he did.
Yeah. The answer here is
I can't
yes.
even say low key.
Send me personally. Visited me at night.
Absolutely. I think God sent Talita to talk to all of us, guys. That's what I believe, because I'm watching that episode and I'm like, wild.
This is doing you.
Talita.
I hope you got something from it, and
Absolutely.
it sounds like you did.
Yeah,
and I hope
for sure.
Londo was positive, and it's something that you can ingest and then practice as well.
100%. Thank you, Moshi.
Moshi.
Ukanyisa Makasibe uthi, girl math would have concluded that you got the laptop for free because you did not pay it with the money you intended to buy it with.
Nothing wrong.
Oh, girl math mind itengele cellular telephone. Oh, babe, okay, that's such a beautiful example of girl math.
Yes, it really
Oh, it's
like, my
near
laptop is
perfect,
free.
man. Yeah.
Because la mali bendizoyisebenzisa it's still there.
It's still there.
So, hence, therefore, we thank you, Kanyisa.
Oh, Nkos.
Uthi uzama kwama. The Christian or faith chat is interesting. Ekaya, we are Anglican, but my aunt is Adventist. Your mama, Dutch Reformed, and my neighbors were Methodist. I used to go to all these churches
Live.
all the time.
Oh, I wasn't concerned. Oh, come on, mom.
I was celebrating Bafana Day last week, and I used to be Indomio Manyan. So busy girl. But I haven't been to church in so long.
Oh, Johnny!
I believe in God and the premise of Christianity, but I struggle with church because churchgoers want to win the Christian Olympics without being Christ-like. So I believe in God at home.
Hey, Z, man.
Sijonge abantu abarong. Sijonge abantu. This is the thing.
Sijonge ichurch kowazi. Sijonge ichurch kowazi.
Oh, ziyacheka kodwa. Wow, ziyakwazi.
Ukhinya zona. My darling. We understand.
And
But
just like, leave me alone.
Yeah.
And this is the thing. The thing is about fellowship is that ufuna fellowship. Not with abantu abenza competition, your fellowship. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You just want to fellowship.
But it's those ones that are
abanye
sticking around.
abantu of the same,
Yeah.
likelihood.
Look, I mean, personally, can I tell you something?
Tell
that
us.
I realized when I got back to church, but hey, one of the things, and as I'm being a church goers, is because yayizeza church goers dihlala nazo mna di-identifya nazo zifana nam qha ngoku because sengonzweni ndiyazijaja mna ba ya la majita athetha ngamantombi nintoni but itshomi zam hlala nazo and ndithetha ngamantombi nami ngithetha ngamantombi didikwe ndim diphume enkonzweni because didikwe ndim
fair
up until you then decide but nangam just like you do it in the world, just like you do it in the workplace, we will sit with the people that we want to sit with. Awunyanzelekanga uba mawuhlala nabantu be-competition. Uhlala nabantu be-competition because ucomfortable uhlala nabantu be-competition because ungumntu we-competition.
Not necessarily uhlala nabo but bayakupetsulela apha
Kha uhlale nabanye abaze kule nto uze kuyo because bakhona. Ubakhona? That's one thing esingenawuphikisana ngayo. Bakhona. Qha bekho cool.
No, and they're sitting quietly at the back listening to the word and going home.
Yeah, wow. But yeah, yo Zama, andingayilindelanga ke leba usahamba inkonzo.
Now I'm after all of that. I was like, oh!
Yeah, but I think another thing that we're pulling out here is it's because it's church goers. Yeah, but thank you for that. I hope you really find your way, and you make the decision that works for you.
Do some new.
Yeah.
Yenkonzeni wenza into ongazange uyenze before. Bona bayizokusapha.
How Charlie?
Uthi Charlie, yeah nguwe.
Oh sorry, Uthi Charlie, thanks for not being preachy Zugo. You Tina, we love giving steps to Christ while we haven't shown any love. The gospel is love, and today you displayed love. Watch how the Lord will grow this seed you have planted. Praying with you, Mabut. You represented heaven well. My husband was listening to you speak and so engaged. He left church in his very early 20s. Ingosi wethu.
No.
Yo. Yes. Amen.
Yeah, no one wants to talk about it because it feels shameful. Like it feels very shameful. I can speak for myself. It feels shameful. Even after I'd done it, I still felt shame. But people are going to listen to this and then they're going to know this about me. And then on jaja, but it's like ultimately there's so many people going through exactly the same thing I'm going through.
Yeah.
And there's no need to be shameful and doubt and not knowing what to do is so normal.
Yeah, it is, bro.
But we've kind of just put ourselves in this box of I have to appear perfect.
And I have to know all the answers and I have to do all the answers
especially
that I know.
In faith. I have to appear perfect. Ingathi ndiright.
Yo, sisezawuthake yonke loo nto leyo.
Enkosi Charlie.
Sure, Charlie.
Neliswa Jokweni says, food in the fridge definitely spoils. Quite 3 days plus. Sekuyi risk. Then after 5 days, nope.
Depends, man. I say it depends.
Usukuthi cake ya last week.
And ibulala phezulu ya last week Wednesday. Bethe ndayivala isingathi iba manje mo. Zi-jams ezizinencasa. Ayinoba.
I-jams izimnandi.
Mfondini, chi ukutya ichakalaka nentshebe.
That's so gross. Oh.
Have you ever eaten something?
No!
You don't even know what I'm going to say.
I know it's going to be gross.
Got you. Look, I mean, guys, we've got different risks for appetites. Yo.
Okay.
We've got different appetites for risk. That's what I was trying to say. But we see.
Be your own judge. Yasazi isisu sakho. Judge your own.
Isisu senzelwe ukutya kwenzelwe isisu. Siyabulela ba uba sinazo zombini. City level, uthi loved Zugo's take on the church matter. My grandmother always used to say, uThixo ulapha kwami and within me. And so when I also stopped going to church for various reasons, I did not stop nurturing my relationship with God because ulapha endlini and he is within me and walks with me everywhere I go. I've always understood that yes, kumnandi ecaweni, but I don't need the four walls and the audience to have a good relationship with God. Like Zuko said, the hard work outside of abahlali and the fellowship of the church.
Oh no, for sure, I'll say it too.
Ngingamamela.
You read so fast. Also, I was like, doing like me now. But for sure, also, uThixo ulapha kwami and within me. And I think that's such an important thing that we tend to forget. And uThixo uyakwazi uba lapha kuwe, and you can still go to church. Elapha kuwe, and nothing can take that away from you.
Fair.
Yeah.
Fair. I think...
Abahlali, abapetsulayo, benza into snacks, they can't take that away from you.
Fair.
And they shouldn't have the power to take that away from you.
Yes, because uThixo ulapha kuwe.
Yeah.
I like that. And I mean, depending on where... we're all at different stages in our journeys, right? And omnye umntana uyakwazi uzalwa ePrem, for example, and they must stay in an incubator. And then omnye uya uphandle, omnye udlala nabanye abantwana. Do you know what I mean? We're at different stages, and I think we need to know that. And there's different things and different paths that you go through in your Christian journey. And Lenon Choiba, we're all at different places, man. I think that's my biggest thing. But I also want to make us very cognizant of the fact that we shouldn't also be too hard in terms of saying, but there's also a danger in saying, and I don't need to go to church, and I won't go to church. Because say ECT voice between wena noThixo wakho ba mtshana ami yenkonzweni because enkonzweni ndifuna uthini ndifuna uyofundisa iclass yabantwana. I want you to go lead into ethile awuyiva lo voice because you are so opposed to abahlali. Then you also miss out on certain parts of your Christian journey because there's certain things ongazozenza and that you are not open to, which also takes away from us. So definitely, I mean, I'm happy with the personal relationship, but also like it was a big thing for me as well. But must be responsible for something. Like joking.
Because uzocelwa eventually, basicela usiphathele into ethile.
Uthi hayi. So you are also, yeah. Sometimes it's tricky, man. It's tricky, but it's very straightforward, I think. And our last comment, Sihle D.
I don't know if Xhosa is deep, but every time mangizwa the Xhosaness of it all, dog, something in me changes. Ngivele ngizibone nami ngihleli nani studio participating kuXhosaness of it all. Mzuzu angisazi isiXhosa kodwa ngihlezi nginempendulo for everything kuleyo sentence.
Sihle.
Uphunyika bamphethe Sihle. Masikhuluma ngesiZulu.
Awuyazi yasidida ke le ndaba yakho.
Yeah, masikhuluma isiZulu.
Khuphuka Thalita.
I forgot the word. Samanyanyani. That's
semqoka. Adlala guys.
Phaka. isiZulu phaka.
Nazoke.
Asikhuluma sona sithi yawu uphunyeka abaphethe.
Yeah, mara indaba leyo ukuthi uyasijoina nawe uzizwe ungathi ula e-studio awuchasa ihalala siyela.
Halala.
Yeah.
Halala.
Leyo.
That's super sweet. Also Zulu and Xhosa so alike.
Very much so.
Iyavakala indaba yakho.
Yeah, no, too much. Nami ndingahlala kwiZulu neSofitolo. Zulu neSofitolo. Except gents, thank you so much, man. We are out of time.
We've been out of time.
And we are going to make a dash for it. But thank you guys once again. I think thank you. What a sensitive topic, bafethu. Sizikwazile man sonke. Thank you guys. Learned a lot through it all. And yeah, thank you for joining us on this journey.
You can join us on another journey on the 25th of October.
Oh, here we go.
Where we go live with Spotify live sessions.
Victoria Yards.
Victoria Yards.
Wosana somsala.
If ufuna itikiti lozohlala nathi ke
Yes.
sincokole, head over to quickets.co.za. Umani ticket lako sikubone nge-24.
100%. We'll see you there, guys. Sharp watch.
Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
That's just
Get
class
off the
marker.
stage, marker.
Does anyone have rotten tomatoes?
You suck.